Time for another cold shower. I'm not even gonna say I'm grumpy. I'm just tired. Cause bed. You got someplace to go? Thank you. Good girl. Don't touch that. Okay, thank you. Finally did it. So, in case you don't know, that's Oshun and Osain. My Imbolc stuff and my other Sabbath stuff. And I don't know what's in this one. Altar stuff. This is going to be all my altar stuff. What's in here? So I can go ahead and move the last box to wherever it's supposed to go. Oh! My fairy house. Here, you stay there for right now. And then I'm going to move you up there later. I don't know her name, but she's on the top tip thing. Okay, what else? Oh, this goes to my vintage lamp. That's the lampshade I need to find, and yay, another box down. Go over there so I can dump that shit and break it up. Oh, man. I'm thinking maybe that kitty litter might fit kind of sort of decent right there. Right at the bottom. All my altar stuff is going to go there as soon as I find it. Well, now that I cleared that off, I can put that in the closet. Start digging into those that are on the shelves. It's probably all my altar stuff there. There's not too much stuff in here left. What is that? That's my hose on top of something fluffy. I think plant stuff is in there. Oh. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Why don't I go ahead and leave this here? I'm going to try and put this there too. Oh, that just happened. Oh, well, that's what I get for holding by the top. I'll glue that back on later with some wood glue. But at least it's off the floor. Well, I'm happy. Dog food, kitty litter down there. My sewing machine. And all my altar stuff is going to go here. Then when I get this organized, and my crystals organized, I will probably move all of this stuff in those cubbies, because I really like all my crystals, which is going to go there. And then I'm buying on the first another 6.5 foot tall metal bookshelf from Home Depot to hold my heavy crystals. And then I'll put my altar stuff in there, and I like my altar stuff with my crystals. Yeah, so one shelf is cleaned out. Happy about that. I'm gonna move all that shit on top over and organize my altar shit as soon as I find it. That's dresser stuff. And that's the bed office. And I forgot who gave this to me, but whoever did give it to me, if you see this video, thank you. I love it. It is cute enough for me to leave in my bathroom for right now until I get my table cleaned off next to the kitchen, and I'm going to put it there, and it's going to sit with me every morning at breakfast. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank God for Smoke Cooler. I don't hear it making the water sound, so I don't know what's up with that. It shouldn't be quiet like that. Well, I mean, I know it's not quiet, but you should hear trickling of water is what I'm trying to say. Unless I let it run too long without water, and now I fucked it up. Alright. Anywho, I feel better just looking at that now, and it's all cleaned off. Oh, I feel so much better. Okay, now I'm gonna go and get me some more cold water, take a cold shower, and air dry. Whew. Almost done. I want to be finished by next month so I can dig into my canning and dehydrating stuff. That one's heavy. I gotta see what's in there. Oh, okay. Back to work. Back to work. I mean, shower time. Shower time. Yay. I put a dent in it. Put my books up there. Oh, way over in the middle between them. Between that wall and that space is a whole book, the whole shelf. So, oh, man, it feels good. Okay, guys, what are you organizing? Or what do you need to reorganize? Maybe I should say it that way. And so you could feel better too. Yeah. I want to know. I want to know. Man, that looks so good. That only took a month and a half. You gonna say hi? Oh, you're not gonna talk right now? Okay. I wish you would. No? Alright. He was just talking a minute ago. Huh. Huh. Oh, pretty boy. Okay. Time for a little break and then a cold shower.